This video will help you to simulate flipping a coin and recording the results. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. From the home screen, choose the MathBox app and then Coin Toss. You can choose between 1 and 3 coins. We will start with 1 coin. Scroll down one line. The calculator calls a coin toss an attempt. You can enter as many coin tosses or attempts as you want, up to 250. We will start with the default of 5. Scroll down and choose Execute. The calculator can display the results in 2 ways. First, choose List. The display shows heads and tails for each coin flip. A filled coin represents a head and an unfilled coin represents a tail. The first flip was a head and the second was a tail, and so on. You can scroll down to see the full list of coin flips. Press back to return to the display choice. This time, scroll down and choose Relative Frequency. The calculator displays the number of heads, 3, and tails, 2, and their relative frequencies as a decimal. Let's now return to the input screen by pressing the back key twice. This time we will choose 2 coins, so press OK and choose 2 coins. Let us also increase the number of coin flips. Press OK on attempts and enter 15 for the number of attempts. Confirm with OK or the Execute key. Scroll down again and choose Execute. Once again choose List for the display. The calculator displays each coin in a column labelled A and B. Each attempt is on a separate row. You can see that, for example, on the first flip, the first coin was a head, and so was the second coin. The number of heads for each attempt is counted in the last column. So, for example, on the first attempt there were 2 heads, on the second attempt there was 1 head. Again, you can scroll down to see other attempts. You can also scroll down a whole screen. The calculator can summarize these results. Return to the display choice using Back. Now choose Relative Frequency. The table displays the total number of heads in the 15 attempts. As there were 2 coins, the number of heads can be 0, 1 or 2. In the 15 attempts, there were 2 with 0 heads, 9 with 1 head, and 4 with 2 heads. The relative frequencies are also displayed. The decimals can be displayed as fractions using Format and choosing Standard. Notice, however, that the fraction is displayed in a single line format. You can save each relative frequency to a memory store. For example, to save the relative frequency of 0 heads, ensure that it is highlighted, press Variable and choose a memory store, perhaps A. Confirm with Store. If you wish to store another relative frequency, scroll to it and again choose Variable and this time a different store. These memory stores can be used in further calculations in the Calculate app. For teaching purposes, you can force a simulated result which is the same for every student. Press the back key twice to return to the input screen. Scroll down to Same Result and choose one of the options 1, 2 or 3. These are simulated results and will produce the same output on each student's calculator so that you can use them as a discussion. For example, you could choose relative frequency. The results are the same on all the ClassWiz models. Probability simulation with a coin flip is a useful feature, so why not explore it?